Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL Tab 10s and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, of course, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. And we could change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So let's tap on clear data, and as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is currently empty, and it simply means that we just removed everything, so starting from the browsing history and ending on saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.